jeep. Bye! Ito na po yung pupuntahan namin. It's picture taking area. Pero ingat lang tayo na walang train na lalabas. Takot. Basta niya akong mister nga isog kaayo. Picture. Middle of the forest. It's a railway. Alright. Bilis lang po tayo. Okay, ito po yung isang spot na you can search it from the Google. And picture taking area. But of course, you need to be careful. We'll just be very fast here. Okay.